Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com, and today we have an employee car on the dyno. This belongs to William Jones. William works in our product development department and does an outstanding job for us. This is his 1999 Mustang Cobra. It's covered some miles. It's got 268,000 and some change on this 4.6 liter 4-valve. As far as modification goes, William's got a list for me here. Got a JLT cold air intake, factory exhaust manifolds, off-road X-pipe, muffler delete. This thing's pretty loud, trust me on that. Underdrive pulleys, he's not sure what brand, but underdrive pulleys traditionally are underdrive pulleys. 373 gears out back, still has the T45 transmission, so the pull's gonna be made in 4th gear, which is our 1-to-1 ratio. Stock drive shaft, and it does have factory 17-inch Cobra wheels. As far as fuel is concerned, it's got 93 octane fuel in the tank, and as far as William knows, this is a factory calibration. So we're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure our straps are good, wheels are tight, we don't want a wheel coming off on the dyno, and then we're gonna make a hit. All right guys, let's take a look at some numbers on this 268,000 mile 99 Cobra. William's pretty impressed with it, especially for the miles and the little modifications it has. 291 horsepower at 6,100 RPM, and it mimicked that in the torque department as well. 291 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. Big thanks to William for letting us dyno his car. We had a blast. He's got a lot of things planned for this car. Like all Mustang enthusiasts, once the mod bug bites you, it bites you, and there's no turning back. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel to see more dyno videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you know what to do. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.